Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter safe mode for your HUAWEI MateBook E with Windows 11. So first let's open the Start, navigate to the settings. Here write safe mode or simply change advanced startup options, and now we want to get advanced startup, so restart now, restart now. Your MateBook should restart and show more settings. Now we want to go for troubleshoot, advanced options, and change startup behavior and restart. It should restart again, and now we'll be able to choose the safe mode from the options. So use a enable safe mode. You can use it with networking or command prompt. I'm just going to use the 4, so that's a simple safe mode. Enter the PIN, and now we're in the safe mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.